7.5 hours. We'll be there around 1 o'clock. There's a chance of rain, so I figure there's no sense in racing to Bowling Green to get wet. So hopefully the timing works out and we have an awesome dry power tour. So I thought I'd just pull up the rain. The dot is our destination. We are north of it, and we're gonna probably have to slow down because it looks like it's gonna be raining until after we get there. We're also testing the limits of the gas gauge. We got 7 more miles, or 6.2 more miles, and it says empty, so probably should have stopped at the last set of gas stations. Well, we made it to at least get our credentials. So this isn't the actual first stop, but it's where we pick up our tickets. So, and we only got rained on for 33 seconds, which is pretty good because it was raining all day here, I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna go get checked in. Made it, got checked in. It's starting to sprinkle, so we're thinking about going back to the hotel already. It's a big parking lot party here, but hanging out in the rain doesn't sound like a lot of fun. Well, this car's parked for the night, it looks like, because alcoholic beverages. We might switch tires for tomorrow, we'll see. But this looks like an awesome place to watch burnouts. So after sobering up from last night and getting out of here, went and washed the car. Had to come back to the hotel because I forgot the camera, because that happened. And yeah, we're gonna finally make it to the racetrack now. So a great thing about Power Tour is it brings a lot of people. Bad thing about Power Tour, brings a lot of people, and you all have to go to the same place. So we are in our 40-minute 8-mile drive this morning to get to the track. And as you can see, it's behind me is the same, in front of me is the same, and we have to get down here, and we have 2.5 miles, and it says 10 minutes, but I don't think we're moving that fast. So we'll see when we actually get there, but this is a pretty normal thing that, yeah, you have to be aware of and expect. So unfortunately, these people that waited in this line that are leaving, that don't have stickers on their car, almost 100% they drove all the way down this, well, still says we have 10 minutes and it's been a few since then.
It's been 5.
Yeah, it's been 5, so now we're looking at 10:36 before we're there. But we've seen about, oh, here's another one. Oh, he has a pass in his window, but I don't know what that pink pass was. He's questionable. He might have actually drove all the way down here and is just leaving now as like a worker or something. But we've seen a bunch of people coming out that don't have credentials. Here comes one now. Has this got credentials? Okay, yeah. He has a long hauler pass, so he's just done for the day. But leaving looks a lot easier right now. Sure that will change the opposite way when we decide to leave. Finally made it in at 10:55, so quite a bit longer than the 10 minutes the GPS said. And there's guys ripping the autocross already. So just kind of looked the car over before we head for the drag strip. Did find a code for a cam sensor, so not sure why. It was there, and it was right when I first turned it on, but it went away and I cleared it and it's not coming back. So hopefully that's not a problem that we're gonna have to figure out soon. waiting like 10 minutes at the end of the trek, it turns out my slip was the one that, well, me and the other guy, we didn't get a slip. So I know I had the worst reaction time ever, but I don't know what the car actually ran. Got back to the hotel and they're already ripping burnouts, so we're gonna go and get some groceries because we're gonna cook out on our grill, and we're gonna set up a burnout pad out here. It's gonna be pretty fun. Well, the parking lot shenanigans have began. We got a little rubber on the quarter panel, but we still have tire left, so we'll definitely be doing that at least one more time, if not two. Trump even showed up to cheer on the burnouts last night.